Are you guys looking for a house that's near coffee shops? This house is for you. It is near 5 coffee shops in the vicinity. It's great.
This home has 5 bedrooms, one of the bedrooms is downstairs, and 4 full bathrooms.
Also, this property has an amazing great room. What a great room is the kitchen opens up right into the family room. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. We're gonna go inside. house. It's 3,800 square feet. It has an updated kitchen right behind us. And the loft upstairs is very functional, and it also has that circular area where you can put a treehouse that we've seen on TV.
This home has a large pool-sized backyard, has a low HOA of $19, and is centrally located in Las Vegas, right off the strip, lots of grocery stores, and about 15 minutes away from the airport.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and recap. This property has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a large pool-sized backyard, and a 3-car garage. So if you want to know more about this property, our information is down below. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.